Some more. You're greedy. You are greedy. We got potato chips, cucumbers, and dog chow. What a healthy mix, huh? Huh? You want another one? Go ahead. Don't be a pig now. Come on. I know you like potato chips. Yeah, lick them lips. Come on. Oh, the lips are too funny. Look at that tongue. Come on. Oh, it's kitty you're scared of. Yes, the whole time the dog has been right here. Summer, come on. I got more food. Oh, come on. You're not going to leave me now. Summer. What? What? Look who's getting, is somebody getting greedy? I smell your dog chow. Come on. Don't be afraid. Who's got you spooked? Is it the cat? Or the dog? What? Yeah, my stinky dog got sprayed by a skunk last night. Yeah, you. Come on. I'll tell you what. I'll give you a whole handful. Here. Go for that. Maddie, you're horrible. You ever see a deer eat an olive? And there goes. Come on, Mama. No fear from us. We're the cool people. Go ahead, Maddie, I dare you. Eat a carrot. Don't even know what to do with it. Come on, don't be afraid. We all cool here. Really likes that dog chow. Oh, Maddie, you ate a tomato by accident. Oh, let's not take a finger. Okay? We all cool here. Me, you, the dog. People, how many people got a dog so... Ew! You snotted on me! That is gross. Look at the snot hanging out of your nose. Oh! It's a big one, ain't it? Look, oh, it's a big snotter. Oh, you see, oh, she sucked it up. All right, well, here, come on. Come on. No snot too tough will keep you away, huh? Come on. All right, you had enough for the night? Night, Summer. I'll see you tomorrow.